The total length of the culvert is 12 meters, the width is 1.3 meters, and we have placed these iron rods at an interval of 50 cm from center to center. So here you can see that we are doing the construction of our base. For this purpose you may see that we have placed the iron panel for the edges. Here we are pouring concrete with the help of transit mixer. Total thickness of our base will be maintained at 25 centimeters. There is no need of blinding since we are not going to use iron bars. You may see that we have also used the building line in order to maintain the level of our concrete. For the level of our concrete, we have maintained the slope of 1 cm for each 1 meter. For the 12 meters, we have a slope of 12 cm. Before we had started the construction of this culvert, we had done the excavation with the help of excavator. When you are carrying out the excavation, you have to make sure to keep some working space for the carpenters to carry out their work. You may see here that we are using the iron hook here. They are being placed at an interval of 50 cm each. They have been placed so that we can connect the rope in order to tighten our balloon. You may see that before the concrete dries up, we have to use this iron hook. So you can see that we have placed this iron hook and they are also properly aligned with the straight line. You may see that now they are dry and we have placed the formwork. Now we are going to place our balloon. You may see that we have used acrojack as well as 2x4 to support our formwork or the shuttering of this culvert. When the carpenter is placing the shuttering, he has to make sure that enough supports are being placed so that we can get a proper shape of our culvert. You may see here that how we have placed our 2x4 to give support to the shuttering. Now you may see here that we have placed our balloon, and while we were placing this balloon we had to use the rope in order to tighten it. You may see that it has been properly fixed. We have also pumped the air into it. You can also see that we are pouring oil for the lubrication. We have to use this oil so that when the construction of culvert is done, we can easily remove our balloon. You may also see that we have placed more supports of 2x4 wood here for the shuttering of our culvert. Here you can see that the iron bender is working to make the reinforcement bars for the decking of this culvert. Since the total length of our balloon culvert is going to be 12 meters, as such you may see here that we had to use a balloon which had a length of more than 12 meters. You may see here that we are filling air in the balloon with the help of air compressor and the air cylinder. You can also use the air gauge to make sure that the proper gauge had been followed and the air was filled properly. You may also see here that while we are filling the air, ropes had been used to tighten this balloon. You may use the rope of 1 or 2 inches for the tightening purpose. This is the head wall reinforcement. You can see that we have started pouring concrete into the balloon. After a thickness of 10 cm filling of concrete, we had to place the reinforcement bars of decking and head wall, and later on we shall do the concrete pouring with a thickness of 15 cm. So overall we are going to have a thickness of 25 cm for the decking. For the reinforcement bars we had used Y10 and Y12 mm bars, and it was a single mat for decking. Y10 were the runners while Y12 were the main bars. You can see here that after the pouring of concrete, we are removing the formwork. After we remove the formwork, we are going to do the construction of head wall and wing wall of this culvert. You may see that the formwork was placed and then we poured concrete for the head wall and the wing wall. Now we are doing the dressing of this culvert. We kept an angle of 45 degrees for the wing wall. You may see that the wing walls are connected together with the head wall. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you still have any questions, don't forget to write in the comment box. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much. Goodbye until my next video.